On the time like. Now let's get into how you're actually going to monetize your post, okay? Now, the way you want to structure a post that you want to monetize, you want to make sure that you're going to be discussing certain things to your prospects. You want to be solving a pain point. You want to first expose the pain point by describing it. Then you want to solve that issue. So I'm going to use this post here as an example. So what I said was, hey, I heard you wanted to make more money. Have you been attending my Zoom calls? So now I'm asking them a question. Okay. I know they haven't been attending my Zoom calls because I haven't seen them there. So it says, I'm asking you because I haven't seen you there. I'm giving you the tools you need to start producing the income you want using the power of social media. Not only are you stacking the cards in your favor, but you are creating a fluent opportunity to generate leads and sales without breaking the sweat. So now I'm starting to show them a pain point, to where people are spending a lot of time on Facebook just trying to generate leads and sales, right? So now I'm going to start giving them a little bit of the solutions that I will be doing. So I say, I am able to give value on a massive level. Here is the beauty. I want to share it with you. I'm teaching basics in order to scale your business. This is an opportunity for you to learn the best strategies utilizing your Facebook profile, groups, and Zoom calls. I know you're like, okay. So now I'm starting to attack the doubt that people have, okay? Because people have doubt. As soon as you tell someone something like this, they're like, oh, come on now, really? So I said, I know you're like, Lambo, okay, when is it? And I say, first, let me tell you what you can do. Then I give them the time that my Zoom call is. And I say, completely optional. But in order to obtain the success you deserve, you need to believe first, right? Now, if you have an online business, this Zoom can increase your knowledge on promotion with ease. So once again, I'm telling them what I'm able to provide for them. Okay. Then I attack those pain points again. No more spending hours looking for prospects, being lost on where to find customers. No more spinning your wheels on closing sales. Then I got humor added into it. This actually happens frequently. It can be a pain. So here we go with a call to action. If you want to structure your business into a high converting sales machine, comment leads below. So the call to action is here. Comment leads below, and I will send you a message. Now, what happens after someone comments leads? I am going to send them a message in order to find out what it is that attracted them to this post. Then when they answer that question, it leaves me an opportunity to either send them an affiliate link for a product that might help them, or to send them a link to a scheduled call, or to actually send them a link to a Zoom call. Okay. And as you can see here, we have one person that said leads there. We have another person that said leads there. And we have, they shut their account down. Oh, that's right, because it was spam. So I removed that. So I had two people that commented leads, and they will be attending the Zoom very soon. And so here's another example of how you can monetize a Facebook post by leveraging results. Now here I made $1,000 in one day. I actually made about 1,100 that day, but that's not what I really want you to pay attention to. Of course, leveraging results is very powerful, but what do you use them for? Well, when you show someone that you made a certain amount of money, a lot of times people will reach out to you to ask you, what are you involved with? Or how can I make money like that also? This is how you can structure your post again. Once again, I say, is this your moment? Is this your time? When you make a decision to begin your online journey, there is always going to be that little voice whispering doubt. Okay, so now I'm telling them what a problem is. Once again, static, noise. Then I tell them, block it out. This is your time. Now I give them positive enforcement. This is your moment. Don't let that little voice in your head tell you that this isn't possible. Once again, positive reinforcement. Real everyday people are making thousands online every day. Now I am starting to give them psychologically what they need in order for them to start taking more action. But just in case that they are still struggling, I start digging in deeper to them. What separates you from them? The mindset, right? It says the mindset of a digital marketer is different than the everyday person. We have a determination to win, even when the cards are stacked against us. We believe in abundance, not worry. Some days are stressful because we are human beings. We have emotions that we battle every day. This is what makes us unique, makes us human. But we don't give up. We don't listen to people who doubt. We don't fear failure. We do not fear loss. We embrace it. We learn from it. We fix the issue and go for it. Again, surround yourself with people who are successful. Now I start giving them advice. Surround yourself with people who are successful, people who have the right mindset, people who are attracting the dream life you desire. Model them, then grab your success. Now, for those people who are wondering how they can make this money, instead of having doubts in their mind, I just eliminated the doubts and give them a call to action. If you are looking for a way to make high ticket commissions with ease, message me and I will guide you to your success. All right, guys, this is another way of structuring a post in order to monetize it.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing.